Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to lock a shape on top of a picture in Microsoft Word so it stays fixed in position even when you move or edit other elements in your document. This is perfect for creating posters, thumbnails, watermarks, labels, or graphic layouts without misalignments issues. Instead of struggling with floating object moving around, you will learn a clean and professional method using layout option and grouping tools. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here a assignment document. Now I delete the image and I insert image. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from our file. Now I am double click to this picture, insert, then select the picture, go to the format menu, click wrap text option, choose in front of text, then resize the picture as your size. Now I go back again the insert menu, click the shape option. Now I draw a shape. You can draw any shape. Now I draw the love shape. Select the shape, go to the format menu and click the fill option. You can change the color of the love shape. You can add or remove the outline. Now I remove the outline, make no outline. Now you want to lock the shape top of the picture. Press and hold shift on our keyboard to select multiple objects, then go to the format menu, click group drop down menu, choose group. Now you can not select the shape because shape is locked. Otherwise you can visible or invisible the shape another way. Then first ungroup the shape, go to the group option, choose ungroup, then we can see here the shape. Go to the format menu and go to the selection pane. We can see here the heart 5 and the picture. Now I off the eye and we can see we invisible this shape. You can lock it way, but the best way is grouped, not select the shape without ungrouping. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.